Been waiting for this for so long. Making love until the sun comes up. Baby, I just wanna take it nice and slow.
Hey y'all, what's up? This is a thank you video to my sis Victoria0402. A few weeks ago I entered her Show Me Your Valentine's Look giveaway, and I was one of the winners, y'all. When I actually entered, I had no idea that I was gonna win. I was just having fun, you know what I'm saying, get my little sex. Get my little sexy, y'all. I had that video up. It's called Victoria0402 Show Me Your Valentine's Day Look. And I received my prize mail last week, and it says thank you, and the outside said congratulations, and it says, hey sis, congratulations, thank you for participating in my contest, you did a fabulous job, love, Vicky. And the prize was a $50 hello American Express card, and yes, I have been using it this week, so thank you so much, Vicky. I do appreciate it.
Your body's calling. My body's calling. On me, I'll never let you down.